In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully install the Shein app from the Google Play Store, whether you're using the Chrome browser or your device. Sometimes installing apps can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a few simple solutions to common issues. First, let's get started by opening the Google Play Store. You can do this either in your Chrome browser or directly on your device. Once you've accessed the Play Store, you'll want to use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in Shein app. Hit search or tap the magnifying glass icon to begin your search. Once the Shein app appears in the search results, generally you'll see an install button. Simply tap that button to begin downloading the app to your device. If everything goes smoothly, you'll soon find the app in your apps menu ready to use. However, sometimes the process isn't as straightforward. If the app hangs at pending or simply won't install, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. Firstly, clearing the cache and data of the Google Play Store might resolve the issue. Doing so can remove temporary files that could be causing the problem. To clear the cache and data, go to your device's settings menu and find the apps section. From there, scroll down until you locate Google Play Store and tap on it. At this point, you'll see options to clear both cache and data, so ensure you do both for good measure. Once you've cleared the cache and data, it's a good idea to restart your device. Restarting can resolve a host of issues by giving your system a fresh start. Simply hold down the power button and select Restart from the menu options that appear. Another common issue arises from connectivity problems. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You might want to toggle Wi-Fi off and on again, or switch to mobile data if that's an option. Sometimes it's the little things that make the difference. After confirming a stable internet connection, go back to the Play Store, search for the Shein app again, and try downloading it one more time. If, after these steps, you're still encountering trouble, there could be an issue with an outdated Android operating system. In the Settings menu, look for System Updates and check if your device needs any updates. Keeping your software up to date not only helps with app installation but also enhances your device's security and performance. Once you've completed these steps, head back to the Play Store to attempt the download again. Hopefully, these solutions help you get the Shein app installed smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.